How to remove the Citroen Berlingo Peugeot Partner door mirror. Starting off with the inner door mirror cover for plastic tool, you will just need to unclip and pull it out. The screws are over here. There's 3 Torx screws that hold the mirror in place, one to the top and to the bottom. Honestly, you could probably remove the Torx screws without taking off the door panel, but you might be bending the door panel in the process. So I'm going to be removing the door panel completely. So remove this screw over here, and after you remove the screw, maybe you can. But where the door pull handle is, with a plastic tool, only use a flat metal screwdriver if you're very gentle. You want to pull this cover off. It's only held on by clips on the inside. And then underneath, there are 2 T30 Torx screws, I believe. And then there is 1 Torx screw over here, which is a bit hard to see in the video. And then there will be 2 Torx screws to the side of the door panel. For the next part, you can use plastic tools, and you'll need to get in between the door panel and the door itself. And basically, with your fingers, when you open enough space, you want to pull the door panel out from the bottom, starting from the bottom first. It's only held on by clips on the inside, and these clips can break. If you do have a clip remover tool like this, it makes things much easier. Even with this though, the clips can still break, as I'll show you in this video a bit later on. And what you want to do is all along to the side, bottom, you want to go and unclip the door panel as you go. If you do not have this clip remover, just get in with your fingers, which I'm going to do shortly. And then you want to give a bit of a pull onto the bottom side first. So with your fingers, just pull onto the bottom out. That clip remover tool isn't too expensive to purchase. And then you'll need to slide the door panel upwards to detach it from the window sill, as it slots down when you're refitting. So when you're refitting, what you want to do is slot the top part in to the window sill and then push and clip it back on. One tip that you want to do is these clips, these white ones, as you can see, if there's any left on the door itself, you want to take it off the door and put them onto the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier. So remove the clips from the door, and then you will see on the next clip that it actually broke, even with this clip remover. It's just one of those things, and just put them onto the door panel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also show your support by sending a super thanks by clicking on the button underneath the video. Any amount, even a bare minimum, is greatly appreciated. Now we have access to the Torx screws. You want to first detach the plugs and unplug them from the door loom. You get in between there to slide the plug out. Do this for both of the plugs. And then you can unplug them by pressing onto these sections over here of the plug, right there. And then you can remove these Torx screws, remove the bottom ones first. So now that I'm holding this mirror, I'm removing the last screw, and it's just a matter of pulling it off. And then of course, when you're refitting, you put your new mirror and then put the screws back on, replug it, and then put your door panel on, sliding the top down first, and then pushing into the door itself from the bottom, making sure the clips go in, and then the bolts back on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.